half is underway, ladies and gentlemen. Next, we have the Maritime Education and Training Award, and it's sponsored by Tomini Shipping. The finalists for this award are Abu Dhabi Maritime Academy, ADNOC Logistics and Services, Emirates Classification Society Tasnif, Hindustan Institute of Maritime Training, Kuwait Oil Tanker Company, Mercantile Seaman Training Institute, and the Shipping Corporation of India. And announcing our winner, would you welcome, please, Mr. Nitin Mehta, CEO of Tomini Shipping. Welcome. There, if you'd be so kind.
Ladies and gentlemen, the winner is Hindustan Institute of Maritime Training.
Yes, a very glorious walk-up. Even if you're sitting at the back, you can still win, as we have proven here. Keep your applause going. Here to collect the award on behalf of HIMT is the CEO, Mr. Sanjeev Vakil. Give him a big welcome and congratulations. Many congratulations to HIMT on this fantastic achievement. Let's hear it from them one more time. Many congratulations.